Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use the link styles. So why getting late? Let's get started. First you have to choose a link. I'm choosing the Google link. I'm showing you how you can get it. Just click the Google and you have to click it once here and copy it and paste it on your code. I'm just giving a div and class. You can choose your name if you want to. Just enter it and just put the link here. In A you can use the link, so I'm just pasting it here and visit Google. The link is here, so I'm gonna style it now. First, the link style. I'm giving the text decoration none. Sorry, none. The underline is gone, you can see. I'm giving more styles. You can use the visited, active and hover effects. I'm showing the hover effect first. So for this you have to write the hover effect and color white and background red. You can see the hover effects. I'm taking the mouse here and it's changing color. This is the hover effect. Now I'm showing the visited and active. I'm just giving the visited status first, showing the visited style and how you can do it. I'm visiting it, so it's visited. Sorry, you can give the semicolon, you can give it here. So this is the visited link, and now I can use the active status. If you just click on it, you can see sorry, it's not working. We can you forget to give a semicolon here. So if you click here, the color is showing white and the background is red. This is the active status. So we'll continue in our next video. Thank you.